Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Technical Knowledge Beta. This Swapnil. Today I will show you how you can download latest Knime version for free. Okay, and you have to just type it, download latest Knime version, and here is the site. But before that I will show you, I have already installed Knime version and this is 5.4.0. okay, this is lower version. Okay, but I want to upgrade it. To upgrade it, you need to download directly from the website, and for that you have to open this page and just tick. And if you don't want to add information, then don't do it, just click on download and it will start downloading. Okay, but you have to select which version you want to download. So currently I'm using for Mac, so I will select Mac version latest, which is 5.9. okay, so this is my MacBook version and I'm using Apple silicon chip, so that's why I will use this one. Okay, and you have to just click on a download. But if you are using a Windows, then you have to select your Windows and configuration accordingly, and then you have to download it. And you have to just click on a download and it will start automatically download if your pop-up is not blocked. Okay, so it started downloading and it will take some time. Okay, because it's near about 754 MB file. Okay, so it will take 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, so my file is downloaded now. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to just install it. And what is the process of installation? I will show you. Okay, so now what we have to do is, this is my download folder, and here my DMG file is downloaded. Extension is .dmg, and if I double click on it, what we have to do is you have to just drag it and drop it to the application, and it automatically started installing. Okay, so currently it is installing. It's near about 1.28 GB file. Okay, and it will take some time. Okay, because it's a Mac, so it will take less time compared to the Windows. Okay, so my means the Knime latest version is installed, so you can close this, and if you want you can delete the DMG file also, because it's not required right now. And if I search for Knime, then I have two versions now, 5.4 and 5.9. okay, so if you open this 5.9, because 5.4 is already open in my system, so it's saying that you want to open it. Yes, and you can select the workspace also, means you can use the existing workspace, or if you want to create a new workspace, then you can create it from here. So for that, what you have to do is there is option called, right, this pop-up, it will show, means browse. Okay, from here you can create a new workspace if you want. I will use my Swapnil folder in my desktop, but in that also I want to create a new folder, so that my all 9 workflows will be stored there. So what I will do is I will just open my Knime folder. Okay, this is my Swapnil and these are the different files and it's not properly arranged. So what I will do is I will create one more folder over here. Okay, so that my all workflows will be, 9 workflows will be stored in that place. So it's very simple to create a new folder in Mac. So I'm just creating that Knime workspace, and you can give version name also. It's 5.9, so I have added 5.9. now I will do is I will again click on a browse and select that workspace folder. So my all workflows in future, whatever I will create, it will store over here. Now you have to click on allow, so that it will overwrite your workflows over there, or create workflows over there, right? So this is basically the home screen. Okay, and if you see, my two applications are open, 5.9 and 5.4. okay, but the some UI changes has change compared to 5.4. So and it's absolutely free. Anyone can download this software, so no need to worry about licensing and all. Okay, so but if you see, these are the sample workflow that I have created. But if you see, some changes are you can see over here. So if you see, if I zoom in out, my cursor is there, right? So it will show all over the workplace and where are you zooming and all this thing. Okay, and if we open any configurator, right, so it will open on the right hand side, open dialog, right? Initially it was open at the center, and this is how you can open the configurator. So there are some changes happened, and I think in the backend they improve the performance also, I guess. Okay, so yeah, this is very easy, right? And if I show you my 5.4, means old version, where is that? Yeah, So if I open any workflow like a Google Drive, my latest workflow, you have to click on allow. Okay, now if you see, if I select on a setting icon, it will open in the center, right? So this is the main changes. Okay, now they shift to the right hand side if you're using the latest version. Okay, so this is how you can and there are other, I think, changes they have made according to the performance and all these things, but yeah, we can but we can check it later. But these are the main change. So this is how you can download the Knime and use it. Okay, thank you.